Hi, friends. It's me, Amy from Kids Hour. Uh-oh, looks like our room is a bit messy. Don't worry, let's make cleaning fun together. When we keep our rooms clean, it's easier to find our toys, do our homework, and play safely. A clean room helps our minds stay happy and calm too. Let's sweep away the mess. Room cleaning is fun. Pick it up, put it away, clean your room and shout hooray. Toys in bins, clothes on racks. Clean rooms make you feel relaxed. Here's how to keep your room clean every day. Step 1. Pick up your toys after playing. Step 2. Fold or hang your clothes. Step 3. Throw away trash and wrappers. Step 4. Wipe your table and make your bed. Let's do the clean room challenge. Can you tidy up your room in just 5 minutes? Ready, set, clean! Yay! Look at that clean, fresh, and happy. Remember, friends, keeping your room clean every day helps you stay organized, calm, and proud of your space. Clean room, happy heart. That's how every day should start. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for more fun and learning on Kids Hour. Bye-bye.